Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem Nike gift card on app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem Nike gift card on Nike app, first what you need to do is open the Nike app. If you don't have the app, simply head over to the App Store, then on the search bar simply type in Nike and then look for an app icon like this on your search list, then simply tap on it. Then you'll be getting a get button right here. Tap on the get button and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Then once downloaded, simply tap on open, and here what you need to do is simply tap on sign in. And then once you do that, what you need to do is simply add items to your cart by searching for the product you want. And then once you search it, simply tap on the product and you'll find an option that says add to bag. Simply tap on that, and then once you have added to the bag, what you need to do is select the bag icon on the bottom of your screen and go inside the bag section. And inside the bag section you'll find let's check out option by simply scrolling down on the bottom and simply tapping on it. And once that's done, what you need to do is scroll to the payments option. Find the option that says add Nike gift card or redeem gift card, and then simply enter your gift card info. You will see two boxes, that is gift card number, usually 16 digits, PIN by scratching on the back to reveal, enter the date and simply tap on apply. Then once that's done, after the gift card balance is applied, simply tap on place order and your Nike gift card is redeemed on the app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.